Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Maggie. If you guys are new, welcome or welcome back. Today I'm doing another really fun Shein summer haul for you guys. Honestly, the cutest pieces. So without further ado, I'm gonna keep this intro really short and let's just get straight into the video. So the first outfit that I wanted to share with you all, I'm pretty much like just super duper obsessed with. I'm gonna share with you guys right now. Essentially, this is what it looks like. I am obsessed. I mean, it's so adorable because I love the kind of like little neckline. Okay, so first and foremost, let me just introduce that this top is from Shein. The skirt is from INQUIRES, but it's basically just like a little pleated, low-waisted leather skirt in this really cool kind of like vintage gray color, dark gray, really cute. But the star of the show is this top, which is this leopard or cheetah. It's a really nice fabric. What would you call this? Like mesh? It's not really mesh, but lightweight fabric. So comfortable and it fits me perfectly. Like, love it. It has like this little sash connected so that you could do like this little scarf situation. This is like my second time trying it on, so I forgot like if it's supposed to be like this, but I think it's very universal in the sense that like you can wear it however you like, which I love so much. So I'm definitely gonna be linking this down below because I'm so obsessed with this entire outfit. I just think that this top matches so many different bottoms. Like the first time I wore it with like an Aritzia skirt, a really cute kind of black skirt, like those like 3-layer ones that are very in this year. So I wore it with that, looked so cute. Today I'm wearing it with a leather low-waisted skirt and I think that it like fits the vibe perfectly as well. So I think if you guys are also into this print, definitely check it out. It's like the perfect summer top. This is like a really cute summer outfit and I'm so excited to wear it out because it's just so cute. All right, on to the next. Starting off strong as always. Sticking with the theme of having a fun little pattern, this is the next item that I wanted to share in this haul video. So re-wearing this skirt because I just think it's so bada. Like it matches with every single type of top. Super universal, super versatile skirt. Love it. I'm Gia, love as always. But star of the show once again is the top. This time it is a darker print, so obviously the one before was a little bit lighter, so this is more like vintage. It's more, I think like that one's a little bit more like in your face, that type of pattern, but this one is a little bit more low-key, wearable, if you will. And again, I didn't have the photos of like what these items look like, so I'm just wearing it like how I think I'm supposed to be wearing it. Essentially, this little thing is separate, and then this top is like a little halter tank top that you tie on, and then it's very cropped, sheer mesh, love it. And then it has like a little frill in the center. So it's really cute. Again, the material is very comfortable, very flowy, which we love. This one shows a little bit of like midriff. So it's really cute if you want to wear like a low-waisted skirt. I think it's like perfect for a music festival, a concert, something like that. Definitely think that this one is a little bit more everyday. I think like with a pair of pants, it would be very wearable, very daily. The other one is perfect for like a girls' night out, a date night, like grabbing an espresso martini at a bar, that type of look. Definitely one perfect for the day, one perfect for the night, but again, very versatile. Love it so much. Definitely, I think I did really well with both of these leopard pieces from Shein this time, and I will, as always, have it linked down below for you guys to check out. So let's just go ahead and move on to the next item. I didn't really account for this being the hottest week for Toronto weather, but I surprisingly got a piece of outerwear. I think it's just that I'm too used to being cold in Canada, but essentially it's just this little black leather jacket, cropped, and yeah, it's kind of like a little biker style. I'm trying to pair it like kind of summery vibe, so I have like a little cropped black t-shirt underneath and this little white skirt from Chew that's really cute. Love it so much. And then I'm just wearing this jacket on top because low-key in Canada, sometimes at night you still need a jacket. So this is really handy and clutch if you need like a nice little jacket to just like keep in your car or like just throw on at night. And then I'm just wearing a cap with this. But it's just like a very nice, realistic, everyday outfit. If you have like a little t-shirt on, like it's very cropped. So it's like at night you most likely will get cold if you're from Canada. Or honestly anywhere in North America. I feel like at night, like when there's no more sun, it's cold. So but yeah, this is the outfit. Very cute, very everyday, perfect wearable. This jacket is like a really cute little length too. The fit is nice and it has like silver hardware, which is my favorite, so we love that. Let's move on to the next item. All right, next item, guys. So obsessed. It's essentially this pair of pants, so I'm just wearing the same top as before, switch on a little black hat. This is the cutest pair of pants ever. They're from MISSGUIDED, so one of my favorite brands from Shein ever, because it's just like better quality as a whole. And essentially they're just like white kind of like knitted pants. They're really, really soft, very comfortable. It's got like really big pockets. I got a bigger size just for it to be a little bit more low-waisted and casual. Like, it looks good with like, you know, your hair down, hat, and a little crop t-shirt, and it's like very, very cute little outfit. White knit, it's like a creamy color, so it's really, really cute. Ooh, the sun's coming out, love that for me. But I have the exact same pair of pants in a gray color. So nice, so wearable, so perfect. So when I saw that they had this like white creamy color, I think it's perfect for you want to do like a little bit of a contrast with like black on top and you don't want to wear like black or gray on the bottom. Like, you can do this really cute little white vibe, and yeah, it's perfect. I really, really like it. I like the way it kind of drapes, like it drapes perfectly. You know, bottoms are a little bit wider, so we love that. The pockets are really cute. It adds a nice little touch, or else it just would have been a little bit more of a boring pant. But no, you've got the drawstrings, you have pockets. Like, all in all, it's a great pair of pants. Very, very comfortable, really lightweight. It's honestly great for traveling as well because it's very weightless and soft. The fabric is like really, really, really soft and buttery and featherless and all the things. So love this. And I'm going to show you guys the last item just with this outfit essentially. I'm not sure what's with me getting leather jackets like in the dead of summer, you know, but this is the last item. I'm just gonna, you know, put it on top of the previous outfit. It's this black little cropped leather jacket. I love this one. It's a tiny bit wrinkled just because, like, obviously, you know, it was in the bag. Previous, like the first leather jacket that I showed you guys, that one would be perfect for like, you know, summer nights where you don't need like much, you know. This one is a little bit heavier, so I really don't expect me wearing this in the summer. Like, it's definitely perfect as a transition piece from summer into autumn because it's definitely a lot more hefty. Like, it's going to keep you warm. So yeah, it's perfect. And obviously it looks great with this very casual outfit. Like, I think it's just so badass, so everyday. This is the last item in the haul, and I will have it linked down below. All right, guys, thank you so much for staying until the end. If you guys did, please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy the items that I got, chose, shared with you guys. As always, if anything is cute, I have everything linked in the description box. These links are not affiliated. Just genuinely love to find cute clothes and share them with you guys. Like, that is just, you know, a love language, and also a very fun hobby of mine is just shopping and finding cute clothes and outfits. So if you guys enjoyed, again, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and be sure to check out my other social media platforms, which are always listed in the description box below, places to share some more fashion inspo. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and thank you so much for staying until the end if you guys did. I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you guys are, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.